Tough body, raise the foot, girl. What kind of girl that? What kind of girl that you have stomach? No. What kind of girl that you have stomach? Look for me. Look how me look good. Look how me sexy. Look how my skin clean. And I raise the foot, yeah, offer. Raise the foot, stomach. After you talk, you know, no woman, man, you alone, baby. Come and look like idiots.
Yeah.
Come and look like young head. You see young tree up right, you're saying I'm a furry. You see red nose for me? You look like clown. You look like clown. You come, hey, all you come laugh up. I have one of your dirty thinking friend them. And you're not telling them, oh, you look for the long mouth, sit down. Oh, you look for your mouth. And oh, your tongue. Acrobatic. And you look for eat up the ink. You're going to the head dry like I want to wash and cool. You don't even have a good pair of underpants. One dress you have. Your rug one change. Your rug one change. Dirty boy. And you come and go on a
You take that stomach, you idiot. You take that stomach.
You come hyper me.
You take that stomach, you idiot. This the girl, not this one, no. You idiot, you fool.
Who call you to? Who call you? Give me this. I'm going to see.